That is an absolute beauty. Look at that. That lens is a beast. That lens is an absolute beastly looking thing. That just makes it look like a mini machine gun. Honestly, if you didn't know better, you'd just think somebody was out to get you with that. Absolute beauty. So today we are here in London, nice little bank Royal Exchange area, and we are filming a spec ad for the Komodo 25 litre backpack. We are using a very special camera. We're using the red Komodo X today. Thanks to John here, who has come out all the way to help me shoot this spec ad, shoot this video, as well as some other bits. And we've got here this beast of a lens as well, the 24 to 105 RF 2.8. And we're just gonna see what this guy can produce, because that 6K global shutter sensor is absolute. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to film more than that, just because we got so engrossed in filming with the red camera. I didn't actually get much more footage of the red camera. I didn't get to vlog it, stuff like that. I'm still working on my vlog. Give me a break. I wanted to turn it into this whole super vlog of me getting filmed by the camera and all of the shots and scenes like that. But we just kind of got engrossed, and we were on very limited time. I think if I had the whole day and I planned that out a little bit more, it would have worked out. But it was actually a very ad hoc thing. I kind of called my friend a couple of days before. I was like, hey, I'm free on Wednesday morning until about 2 o'clock. Can we meet up? And then he was like, yeah, I'm free from 11. And then we met up at 11, and then 11 till 2 isn't a very long amount of time. So we were just like, let's just get to it, get these scenes shot and get it out of the way. And that's basically what we focused on. So I didn't really get time to take my camera out and vlog stuff. I did get these couple of scenes here or there of him kind of walking with the camera and using it, but it wasn't significant enough to make an entire video out of it, which is why I'm supplementing it with something like this, because yeah, it's just talking about using something like the red Komodo X, which is a fantastic cinema style camera. So this thing is filming 16-bit red raw footage, and it is insane. I have never filmed with something like that. And yes, I've done a significant number of professional commercial shoots, but they're all using something like a Sony a7S III or my Sony ZV-E1 more recently, and previously the Canon R5. Nothing that was like this. This was a whole experience for me, and I think it was a very important experience to kind of really open my eyes to how much more there is to filmmaking, cinematography, videography, because mirrorless cameras are easy to use. They are very, very easy to use. They're straightforward. They just kind of, you plug in what you need to do and it just does it for you. It really is like that. But when you kind of delve into the world of cinema cameras, actual cinema cameras and things like that, different codecs, different encoding profiles, you've got raw footage that's coming out of something like the red Komodo X and various other cinema style cameras like that. It opens up a whole different workflow. The workflow for editing that footage is very different to how I would edit footage coming out, my H.264 footage coming out of my Sony ZV-E1. It's very, very different workflow. And it was very important for me to be part of that and learn how that camera worked and learn kind of the workflow that comes with using cinema cameras, because it humbled me a bit to understand that there is so much more to this to learn. And of course I know that there's a lot to learn. I'm no expert by any means. I share what I can, I share what I've learned, I share the tips that I've learned, because I think it's helpful for anybody else who's at the similar kind of stages or early stages of content creation. But that doesn't mean that I know everything about videography and cinematography. Absolutely not. This really helped open my eyes, and the footage coming out, that was amazing. And to think that that was actually filmed in the LQ profile, but it was in the low quality profile, because if we filmed it in HQ, it would have been massive file sizes, and it was just not worth doing that with the amount of time that we went to film. But even in LQ, the footage looks insanely good. To me, to my eyes, looking at it on a 4K screen, looking at it, you might not be able to tell on your phones or on the devices that you're watching this video on, but that footage came out really well. And like I said at the beginning, what I'm what we were filming for was a couple of things, but mainly a spec ad video idea that I had for my Peter McKinnon 25-liter Gomatic bag, which is my favorite backpack, my everyday backpack that I bought. Well, I got gifted by my wife a couple of years ago and I've been using since then. It is a fantastic bag that I really love, and I just wanted to create a showcase of that bag as an example of the kind of style of work that I'm able to do. And with the help of my friend John, we managed to film this spec ad in a little under 3 hours, and also had the opportunity to play around with something like the Red Komodo X, which, like I said, was a pretty life-changing experience. I wouldn't go that far, but it was an eye-opening experience. Let's put it that way. It was an eye-opening experience as a content creator, and it really makes me think about what my next steps are in this content creation journey and where I kind of want to go with it. More of that later. I do want to show you the full spec ad here. I do have it posted separately on my channel as well as on my Instagram and TikTok. So if you guys want to check it out there. And with that being said, Kai24 about to sign off, and here is the full spec ad that we filmed.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.